Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be doing a DIY aloe, honey, and grapeseed oil mask for my hair. I already washed my hair, shampooed, conditioned, all that good stuff. And now we're just going to apply my DIY conditioner. This one is a little bit on the watery side, so I am going to wear a towel. It's gonna get a little bit messy, so make sure you're wearing a shirt that you don't really care to mess up, or wear a towel. I'm gonna do both because I don't know how crazy this is about to get. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time I post a new video. Be sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and let's get started. Hey guys, so I already cut my first aloe plant and it's already in the cup, and now we're on to the second one. Basically what I'm doing is cutting off the spikes off of the sides of the aloe vera, and then after that I'm going to peel off the skin on one surface and then use a spoon to basically spoon out the aloe vera gel and put it into my cup. If you know of an easier way to do this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to go ahead and continue the rest of this process to the other piece of the aloe vera plant. Now I'm going in with my Florida Raw Unfiltered Honey. Honestly, I did not measure it. I'm literally eyeballing it. Same thing with my grapeseed oil. I'm just eyeballing it. Here, as you can see, I'm just using my NutriBullet to blend it, and after that I'm going to drain it just in case there are any leftover chunks and pieces of the aloe. This is going to come out into like a watery consistency, so if you don't like the watery consistency, then you can go ahead and add in some of your own like conditioner. But for me, I don't really mind it because I just want the focus to be on the aloe vera plant, the honey, and the grapeseed oil. I know this could be a little ghetto, a little ratchet, but I am using a teaspoon or a tablespoon to apply the product to my hair because I didn't have a bottle laying around, a spray bottle or an oil bottle laying around, so I just used the tablespoon to apply the product to my hair. So here all I'm doing is just spraying my hair with water because my hair did start to air dry. So just to get it back to being moist, I did go ahead and spray some water, and then I'm gonna go in with the product, kind of finger detangle my hair, and continue this process throughout my whole head. So here I'm just putting my Walmart bag on my head, and I did go ahead and leave the conditioner in my hair for about an hour and a half. I did fall asleep, so I'm not sure if it was a complete hour and a half or 2 hours, but I did take a nap by accident. Didn't mean to fall asleep, but here we are. Super soft, very shrunken, as you can see. I would have to pull my hair out for you to see how long it is, but it's doing the job. My hair is very moisturized. I love it. I'm not tired of me doing my brows on camera yet. I don't know if I'm going to do an intro just because my parents are home today and they're in the background, so I don't know. What do I watch? I keep breaking my chair, but one day this thing's gonna fully break. Yep. Oh, the crack is huge. Ooh. Chair soon. That is a big.